In this video, I'm about to show you how to change Google Assistant to Gemini AI. On Android, if you set the Google app as the default Assist app on your device, you can choose Gemini as your mobile assistant. Gemini is still learning, so when it's your primary mobile assistant, it gets help from Google Assistant for certain things like Hey Google and other actions. To chat with Gemini by typing, open your Gemini mobile app. Now use the on-screen keyboard to type and then tap Send. You can also type to chat in Gemini's conversational overlay that comes up when you say, Hey Google or activate Gemini by touch. To chat with Gemini with your voice on your Gemini mobile app, tap microphone and say your question or prompt. After you speak your query, it updates automatically. Next, activate by touch, which differs by device. Press and hold the power button. Touch and hold home, then swipe up from the bottom corner of your screen. If Hey Google doesn't work, check if Hey Google and Voice Match are turned on. At the top, tap Profile Picture or Initial and then Settings. Next, tap Google Assistant features in Gemini and select Hey Google and Voice Match. To set up a voice match, follow the on-screen instructions so your assistant can recognize when you say Hey Google. You can switch to using Google Assistant as your primary assistant on your phone or tablet in your settings. To do this, open your Gemini mobile app. At the top right, tap your profile picture or initials and select Switch to Google Assistant. Then tap Google Assistant and go to Switch. When you say Hey Google or activate your mobile assistant by touch, Google Assistant will respond. To turn on Gemini in your device's settings app, open your device's settings app. After that, tap Apps, go to Assistant, select Digital Assistants from Google, and then Gemini. At the end, follow the on-screen instructions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.